Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I went punch needle crazy and made over some simple Ikea stools. Now I want to shout out the Oxford company for having the best punch needle on the market and the best gripper strip lap frame on the market. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I could not have done this project without them. We also use something called NUFOAM to give them a nice cushion. And this is made by Fairfield and it's made out of recycled materials. How cool is that? Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a punch needle stool. Just an FYI, E6000 Fabri-Fuse is washable and dry cleanable and perfect for any of your fabric projects. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com and the Oxford company. I'll leave links in the description for everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.